Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to start our unit number 3, and the name of our unit number 3 is Healthy Habits, Sehatmand Aadat. So this is going to be our lecture number 6, and let's start it now. Students, in this lecture number 6 we will learn that we all need food to live. हम सबको जिंदा रहने के लिए खुराक की ज़रूरत होती है. Food gives us energy and keeps us healthy. Food हमें energy देती है और हमें healthy बनाती है. There are many different kinds of foods और foods की different kinds हैं, मुख्तलिफ अक़साम हैं. The body requires fresh food, exercise and rest. और हमारी बॉडी को फ्रेश फूड की, एक्सरसाइज की और रेस्ट की ज़रूरत होती है. Vocabulary. Dear students, here we have some important words from unit number 3. You will learn these words and you will write these words in your notebook so that you can use these words in your daily life. So let's start with our first word, that is energy. Energy means power to be active, tawanai. Disease, bimari. Infection, it is because of some germs. Vaccine, it protects us from the infection. Exercise, वर्जिश. Fresh, ताज़ा. Germs, जरासीम, जिनकी वजह से बीमारी फैलती है. Fuel, ईंधन, किसी चीज़ को चलाने के लिए, जैसे कार वगैरह को चलाने के लिए हम पेट्रोल यूज़ करते हैं, तो दिस इज़ फ्यूल. या इवन हम जो खाना खाते हैं, दैट इज़ द फ्यूल फॉर आवर बॉडी. सीरियल्स, अनाज, डिफरेंट टाइप के आपके पास जो फूड हैं, जैसे राइस, व्हीट, कॉर्न, जिनसे हम ब्रेड वगैरह भी तैयार करते हैं, दीज आर ऑल सीरियल्स. हेल्दी, सेहतमंद. स्ट्रॉन्ग, मजबूत. लुकिंग आफ्टर, देखभाल करना. ब्रीथ, सांस लेना. कफ, खांसी. प्रिवेंट, रोकना. प्रोटेक्ट, हिफाजत करना. Energy. Dear students, we have already talked about what energy is. It is the power to be active. Suppose if you are going somewhere in your car and suddenly it stops moving, what will you do? You will take it to the fuel pump to get it filled with some petrol or the fuel, because fuel gives the car energy to move. Similarly, if you feel hungry, what will you do? You will eat food, because we get our energy from the food. So students, do we take any kind of the food or should we take some healthy food? Absolutely right. We should take fresh and healthy food. Eating fresh food is good for us. Fresh food helps us to grow strong and healthy. And food gives us energy to work, think and play. So this is very important that we should eat fresh food. We need to look after our bodies so we can be healthy and strong. Dear students, we all know that all living things need food to live. If I ask you to name some of the foods, you can tell me the names of so many foods like orange, apple, potato, eggs, fish, grains, chapati, rice, mutton, beef, and so many other foods. Dear students, on this page number 17, you can see two pictures. In picture number 1, you can see some vegetables and fruits. Let's see what these foods are. We can see capsicum. Capsicum is a vegetable. Here we can see another vegetable, cabbage. That is also a vegetable. Then we can see an orange. Orange is a fruit. And here we can see another fruit, that is papaya. So, all the fruits and the vegetables, they come from the plants. So we get our food from the plants in the form of fruits or vegetable. Dear students, now look at picture number 2. Here you can see other foods like milk, eggs, and meat. Just think for a while, from where do we get these foods? Absolutely right. We get these foods from the animals. We get milk from cows or sheep or goat. We get the eggs from the hens. And we get the meat from animals. Either it is beef, mutton, chicken or fish. Any kind of the meat we get from the animals. So, dear students, we get some foods from the plants and some from the animals. So, some foods come from plants and some foods come from animals. Dear students, on page number 18, we can see a picture of different kinds of foods. Here you can see burger, cake, fresh vegetables, milk, fried chicken, fresh fruit, finger fries. So there are different kinds of the foods. Students, can you tell me where do these foods come from? Absolutely right. These foods come from both plants and animals. And if I ask you, which food do you like? Will you tell me? I'm sure that many of the students, they will say that they like burger, cake, finger fries, fried chicken. Okay, there are some students who are saying that they like eating fresh vegetables and fresh fruits and drinking milk. That's great. You know, students, that all kinds of the foods are not healthy. There are some foods which are good for our health and there are some foods which are not good for our health. Many of the students, they like eating pizza, burger and junk food all the time. They love eating sweets, candies, chocolates or sugary foods. You know that such foods or the junk food, they don't make our body strong and healthy. Rather, they create problem in our body. So, we should avoid taking those foods which are not good for our health. Rather, we should prefer to take fresh vegetables, fresh fruits, and we should take eggs and meat and drink milk as well. You know, dear students, that milk is very essential for our health. ये हमारी health के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. Because milk makes our teeth and bones very strong. So we have learned that there are different kinds of the foods, but we should take only healthy and those foods which are good for our health, which make us strong. Healthy foods. Dear students, we have already talked about that there are different kinds of foods. Some foods are good for our health and some foods are not good for our health. So here we will talk about healthy foods. which we should always eat. So here you can see some pulses and beans. कुछ आप दालें और beans वगैरह देख रहे हैं. They are very nutritious and very tasty. So we should always make them part of our meal. Then we can see some meat like fish, chicken, mutton or beef. So they are also full of energy and we should eat them. Then you can see some cereals like wheat, corn and rice. They are also full of energy and we should make them part of our meal. Then very important, fresh vegetables and fruits. This is very important. We should eat maximum fruits and vegetables. They make our body very healthy and strong. Then we can see some healthy oil like olive oil and some nuts are there. So they also give us a lot of energy. Here we can see milk and the things which are made up of the milk like cheese, butter, curd. They are very nutritious and make us very healthy. Dear students, we should also eat eggs and we should take a lot of water as well. It makes our body very healthy. Keeping healthy and strong. Dear students, now we will talk about the things we should follow to be healthy and strong. Here you can see fresh food. To be healthy and strong, we should eat fresh food. We see many people, they eat a lot. It makes them fat and lazy. So don't eat too much. It's not healthy for our body. And we see some people eating too little. That's make them very skinny and weak. So don't eat too little as well. That is also not good for your health. Some people don't chew the food properly and eat too fast. It can pain their stomach. So don't eat too fast. Dear students, if you really want to be active, energetic and strong, then make it a habit of doing exercise every day because exercise will make your bones strong. So to be healthy, exercise your body every day. To keep ourselves healthy and strong, we should breathe fresh air because fresh air cleans our lungs and we feel more energetic. Dear students, we see that many children they sleep very late. This is not a good habit. You should go to bed early so that you can sleep very well. Give your body enough rest. It will make your body strong and healthy. Dear students, on page number 22 we have an oral question. You will have to write the answer in your books and then you will learn this answer. The question is, what do you think would happen if you don't eat any food? कि क्या होगा अगर आप कोई भी खाना नहीं खाएं? The answer is, we will become weak and then die. तो फिर हम कमज़ोर हो जाएंगे और फिर मर जाएंगे. So this is the answer for this question. So write it in your books and then learn it properly. Dear students, on page number 23, you can see an activity. Make a list of 3 types of food that you like. Draw pictures of them in the boxes on page number 23. Dear students, पेज नंबर 23 पर आपको एक्टिविटी नंबर 2 के साथ 3 बॉक्सेस दिखाई दे रहे हैं। आप उनमें अपनी मर्जी के जो आपको पसंद हैं 3 फूड्स बनाइए और फिर उनमें आप कलर कीजिए। दिस इज योर एक्टिविटी। Dear students, I hope that the lecture was helpful to you. If you have any query, please don't hesitate to write in the comment box. Stay blessed, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.